footage of natural disaster around the world 2023, where historic floods hit cities and cause major damage.
Un carro. Dios mío.
Storm Daniel has battered parts of Greece, Turkey, and Bulgaria, triggering devastating flooding that caused thousands of homes were submerged. Greek Prime Minister blamed storm on climate change, while conceding that his center-right government clearly didn't manage things as well as he would have liked. Many traffic in the central town of Polos, the nearby mountain region of Pelion, and the resort island of Skiathos, as record rainfall caused at least thousands of homes was damaged, channeled thigh-high terrain through streets and swept cars away. River overflowed makes swept cars into the sea in the Pelion area, while rockfalls blocked roads. Several bridges were carried away and many areas suffered electricity cuts. Greece Weather Service said many villages received 75.4 centimeters of rain on today, by far the highest level recorded since at least 2006. Bulgaria's Prime Minister said a storm caused flood on the country's southern Black Sea coast. Overflowing rivers caused severe damage to roads and bridges. The area also suffered power blackouts, and authorities warned residents not to drink tap water due to contamination from floodwaters.
¿Que no va a subir aquí? Está liado, ya no se puede hacer nada.
High winds and 2-meter wave crashing onto beaches at tourist resorts amid torrential rain that flooded streets and houses. TV footage show cars and camper vans being swept out to the sea, the hardest hit southern resort town of Safero. Authorities declared a state of emergency in Safero and urged people to move upstairs as the ground floors of some hotels were inundated. In Istanbul, Turkey's largest city, heavy rain flooded streets and homes in two neighborhoods. Many residents were evacuated after their homes were submerged, while some subway stations were shut down. Istanbul Governor Davut Gül urged motorcyclists to stay home. In northwestern Turkey, a flash flood swept over the campsite in Kırklareli province near the border with Bulgaria. It's believed several people were at the camping grounds when the floodwaters hit. Not only these three countries, Spain also experienced similar and even more severe events. A storm spinning over the Atlantic Ocean after drenching parts of Spain with torrential rainfall and devastating flooding on September 3, 2023. Record levels of rainfall drenched the Madrid region of Spain over the weekend, causing flooding, delaying a Spanish league soccer game. Flash floods stranded motorists and carried away cars, while some rail services were suspended. On September 3, nearly 7 inches of rain fell near Cadiz of the southwestern coast and 6 inches of fell in San Rafael near Madrid, according to Spain's meteorological agency AEMET. By Tuesday, severe flooding in the central part of the country. In the Toledo area, helicopters were sent to rescue people who were trapped on the roof of their homes. Madrid's emergency service sent text message to residents advising them to stay at home and to avoid driving.
Están detenidos por carreras ilegales.
Por donde el cole.
Spain's state rail service said that rail service between Madrid and the eastern coastal area of Valencia and other lines had been suspended. According to news reports, the low-pressure system flooded streets southwest of Madrid and caused rivers to spill over their banks and destroy bridge. The downpours came amid a major drought across country, which has emptied reservoirs and led to water use restrictions. The flooding was brought on by a low-pressure system that became isolated or cut off from the westerly current, causing to slow down. This type of storm, known as cut-off low, can produce severe weather and heavy rainfall. Murcia is the city with the most houses at risk, which assume the average or occasional probability of flooding. The figure is 90,775 homes, 28.6% of the total number of homes in the city. According to the available historical data, Murcia has experienced at least 60 periods of severe flooding in the last 100 years. It is the municipality with the most such period recorded official records. Valladolid, Palma, Girona, and Cartagena are the other major cities with more than 15,000 houses located in flood zones. And in relative terms, some 20 cities stand out, such as La Algaba in Seville, Deltebre in Tarragona, or Santona. They save more than 70% of their streets in flood areas. The absolute record is shared by San Miguel del Pino. In Spain, there are a total of 200 places with 1 of 5 properties in this situation. In Alcanar, on the coast of Tarragona, they know this all too well. After 218 liters water fell on Sunday, houses and businesses were flooded for the third time in 5 years.
El agua, chaval, por las rodillas. Flipa.
So much torrential rain is disastrous for the financial situation, the mayor said. Scientists are clear that the kind of extreme weather Greece has faced this summer, from floods and to extreme heat, will only become more common and more severe as humans continue to burn planet-heating fossil fuels.